What is related underscore name used for? What is the related underscore name argument useful for on mana field and foreign key fields? For example, given the following code, what is the effect of related underscore name equals or maps?
The related underscore name attribute specifies the name of the reverse relation from the user model back to your model. If you don't specify a related underscore name, Django automatically creates one using the name of your model with the suffix underscore set, for instance user.map underscore set.all. If you do specify, e.g. related underscore name equals maps on the user model, user.map underscore set will still work, but the user.maps.syntax is obviously a bit cleaner and less clunky. So for example, if you had a user object current underscore user, you could use current underscore user.maps.all to get all instances of your map model that have a relation to current underscore user. The Django documentation has more details. To disable creating the backwards relationship entirely, set related underscore name to plus. To add to existing answer, related name is a must in case there are two FKS in the model that point to the same table. For example, in case of bill of material. So when you will have to access this data, you only can use related name. It is not working otherwise, at least I was not able to skip the usage of related name in case of two FKs to the same table.
The related name parameter is actually an option. If we do not set it, Django automatically creates the other side of the relation for us. In the case of the map model, Django would have created a map underscore set attribute, allowing access via m.map underscore set in your example, m being your class instance. The formula Django uses is the name of the model followed by the string underscore set. The related name parameter thus simply overrides Django's default rather than providing new behavior.
The related underscore name argument is also useful if you have more complex related class names. For example, if you have a foreign key relationship. In order to access user map to frame objects from the related user, the default call would be user.userMapToFrame underscore set.all, which it is quite difficult to read. Using the related underscore name allows you to specify a simpler or more legible name to get the reverse relation. In this case, if you specify user equals models.foreignkey user related underscore name equals map underscore data, the call would then be user.map underscore data.all.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.